Okay, that should have sound now. There we go. What's up? What's up? Perfect. Okay, so just letting everyone trickle in here as we get started. But yeah, I want you guys to make sure to go check out gocharting.com. They've just come out with their challenges that you can register for free with potential cash prizes each and every single week. Love the new website design. It looks really, really cool. You can sign up. The link is in the chat there. We had an hour short yesterday. Today I've had 2 trades on NQ short. I'm just trying another ES short here off this level as well. Off that session view app, we'll have stop loss at the highs. See if we can target back down towards the lows. If you don't get any follow through immediately, I will look to cut this position. But yeah, you guys should be able to hear me, see me, and everything should be all good right now. Yeah. Perfect. Any questions in the chat? So I'm trying here NQ, also coming back towards the view app. So we do look like we're cutting through it on NQ. So I had 2 shorts. I had one at the open off this this daily view app. I got the shorts at a very nice price. End up getting about 100 points, almost 200 points on that. And then I had this quick scalp on it pre-market as well, like that. Something like that, right? A little quick scalp like that for about 30 points. But we'll see if we can get this rotation back down on ES. And we'll go from there. We'll look at the order flow tools as well and what we can see. But again, make sure you are checking out this new competition with GoCharts, gocharting.com. And yeah, exciting trading challenges and winning cash prizes at the end of every single week. So make sure to go sign up over there. Yeah, perfect. Link is in my bio as well. Cool. You guys would have seen me just be on stream now as well, taking a nice position. So yeah, I'm just trying this on this competition-based account with gocharting.com. We look like we're coming up higher too. So if we don't stay underneath this daily view app, I will look to cut. Any questions in the chat right now? I don't really like this, that we are coming up quite aggressively, I must say. So we'll continue to monitor it. See if we can get this roll over here. We have had, we are quite at a strong support level as well on these indexes too. So that's the only thing that potentially keeps me away from this, I must say. Can you explain this trade? So basically we've got a breakdown. Okay, let's go back to the 5-minute chart even. We've got a breakdown of levels, and I'm just looking to play the bounce off of this VWAP. So that's why I've got a little bit of a wider stop, but I'm just looking to play the bounce off of this VWAP, right? So that's kind of my thought process right now. We've got the breakdown, and I'm just looking to play the continuation lower. The only thing I don't like is that we are coming off a quite strong support level, right? So just having to give it a little bit more time up, I believe. Again, if we can hold underneath like 560, I think that would be solid. Let's just go to that. Yeah, so that's my thought process on this trade. I don't like that we have built a base, but I'm just trying to play the directional bias. Everything's been screaming that we need to get short, yeah? See how we're starting to fare out here at the moment. The basic is continuous. Yeah, exactly. So we've got the breakout. I'm just looking to trade the pullback now, lower. And I'm just taking on this account. I'm already up 4K on my prop firm accounts for now. So just looking to trade this. Let's show the leaderboard as well. So currently on this account, I'm break even. I'm down 19 bucks. The leaders are up quite nicely, you can see. And the prizes are looking for the grand prize. Yeah, so I'm 102. These oaks are trading really, really nicely. It's good to see some South Africans in there too. Let's have a look at NQ as well. We'll see NQ did break through a level, but we'll try a little scalp on NQ as well. I did. It was a nice level. It is a nice level to get short at as well. So we'll see if we can get that continuation or roll over to the downside. That's basically the trade. Yes, sir. See how we're trading underneath the daily VWAP on NQ on ES, okay, as well as NQ as well. Yeah, we'll see how this goes. Why off of the VWAP? So we're trading right at the VWAP at the moment. That's the reason for the entry. I love to use VWAP in my trading, but if we blast through them, I'll cancel and look to re-enter. Yeah. Again, just use this as education. I'm not going to win every single trade. I've already had 2 winning trades today, 3 actually. So don't you just use this as educational material. Sometimes this does not play out, obviously, off the VWAPs. You're not going to win every single trade. No trader wins every single trade. But I like the move off of this daily VWAP. Cool. Yeah, tough one with us bouncing quite aggressively. We've already bounced off these lows, like 29 points on ES at the moment. So this level would need to hold. Yeah, we're cutting through it at the moment. I might have to pull this. Let's see, we've still got another couple minutes until the 5-minute closure, yeah, on the 5-minute chart. Let's wait and see. Might want to pull back deeper, and then maybe I can get a higher entry. Yeah, I'm going to cut that. Don't like that at all. We're blasting through this New York session VWAP. So we'll cut that for loss. And we will see if we can get a better entry price, maybe up over here before we rotate back down. Let's see what could be some news coming through as well. Some breaking news. Let's have a look at gold. Gold has actually been moving down quite aggressively today, at least for now. We still are underneath both VWAPs, however. So I'm not going to look to take anything, at least for now. On that, maybe another leg higher for potential. So gold at an interesting point. 4 hours not really doing too much as well. We're just stuck in a range here after moving aggressively up. Cool. So I'm still going to be green on the day, not on this account, on this GoChart, GoCharting.com account with GoChamp. Let's go back to my 5-minute and 50-minute chart. So gold, let's have a look at MNQ. So MNQ might be a better. Let's try another sell here off this level, off this daily view app. Let's try it. Let's see. Maybe this is a better price. You got to play, right? Let's see. Just playing off the level. Yeah, we're gonna have to see if this one's rotate back down. But anyways, what do you think of gold, up or down? Yeah, it's a good question. Right now, I'm thinking potentially lower. We're underneath VWAPs. You could sell that, right? Lower, because we're trading underneath VWAPs. I potentially think we could move lower off that level, right? Underneath the daily VWAP, underneath the New York session VWAP. But from an hourly perspective, we actually look like we're just in a range at the minute. Okay, so yeah, a bit of a little bit of a more tricky one on on gold where we're sitting at the moment. Yeah, tough position we we're at right now. I still like these indexes to roll over potentially from this level. We are bouncing quite aggressively on them, I must say. Wait to the 5 minute. Yeah, 5 minute just straight up for the last couple of bars. Let's see if it can hold. Yeah. Anyone in any positions? How's your guys' trading day been? Anyone that is watching me live? I think you would have seen I've had a solid day across my main accounts. Let's see if I can end this account on positive. That would be pretty nice. So you can trade a maximum of 2 macros on this. Have a look at you can check at all the different charts. I know this is not really what I look at, but the imbalance charts, okay, you can see that. So for your order flow traders, you can look at the imbalance charts. There's even Heiken Ashi charts as well. Okay. Yeah, I'm not really liking this just straight up right now. Yeah, we just lingering here at the moment on the indexes. Any yeah, I don't like this. Let's just cut. Yeah, I don't like that at all. We got to learn to take our medicine as well, right? This is just moving straight higher. It's actually back to the price, almost at the open price. Yeah, okay, we'll sit on our hands then. Any questions in the chat right now? We're just waiting to see what we do get at this level. I've tried 2 shorts, it's not working. You got to play. You're right on these accounts. These guys are up like $2 grand already. Hey, yes, sir. I'm in South Africa, so you guys know a lot about cricket and stuff like that, yeah? Appreciate it. Appreciate you joining in. So we're still sitting at this level. It's yeah, just interesting to see obviously what we are going to get next. Yeah, I still potentially like the shorts off there, but we'll see. See, we're sitting right at that daily view up, and that's why I was liking the. That's why I was liking the shorts. We were trading both. I already make money short again already today, so trying to just trade in that same bias that I was liking, you know. But market's just starting to come higher as we speak at the minute, so. Let's try one more short of this level. Let's see. Get back down to like 29,400. That'll be nice. Let's try it again. One last time. Maybe third time's lucky. So trying again. I've already made, as I said, I've already made money short, so I don't want to try and flip. And also, we've already had this quite a large rally, so we'll see if we can get this move back down like that. I don't know. I traded here on stream yesterday. Again, yeah, early winners and then later on fades. Okay, the market tends to die off in volume as the day progresses, you know. Let's just see. Let's see. One last try at these shorts. There we go. Starting to get some action here. So just get me up on stream here for a sec. Yeah, we're starting to come lower now. Off this level 500 now. Okay, so it's coming back up there like that. There you go. So you can see starting to rotate back down. There you go. Looks good. Yeah, let's see if we can just get this rotation back down. That's all I'm looking for, right? On NQ. Perfect. A little bit of some stalling, yes, which I like. Again, if you aren't signed up to the GoCharting.com competition-based accounts, make sure you are, and we can definitely touch on the rules and everything like that as well. Okay, on stream, yeah, this is looking good. I still like the potential for continuation lower, so let's give it the room that it deserves. There you go. Again, we've been moving down all day. So I'm just trying to play the same bias that I've already made money trading at earlier, right? If not, I'll look to get out of it, scratch it for a loss, and we move on. Cool. So here's the GoCharting.com competition-based accounts. Again, up to $5,000 in weekly cash price. So you also get a free order flow platform to check out and live level 2 tick data, right? Yeah, quite a nasty bounce though from those I must say. The video is starting to spark up a little bit. That's potentially why we are getting that rotation back higher. I still think not a bad position that we're in. Just back down to that daily view app, 29,400 odd like. That's all I like. 29,400, right? Let's see. NQ still, yeah, NQ is trading at that daily view app at the moment. So if it wants to rotate back down, this would be the price. We're trading underneath previous day's lows. The delta has been trading negative as well. So if it wants to rotate back down lower, this is definitely the price that we want to see it move down off of, yeah. There you go. This is looking a bit better on NQ underneath 500. 502 now. Again, yeah, even if 416 would be ideal. Bearish first hour. So we're trading in line with some good data here. NVIDIA did have a little bit of a jump higher. That's what obviously could have been bringing NQ up a little bit. But yeah, this looks good. Just to move, as I said, just back towards that New York session open VWAP off this daily VWAP would be brilliant. Cool. There you go. Getting a little bit of rotation back down right now. Again, make sure you are checking out the GoCharting.com competition-based account, the challenge with cash prizes. The link is in the chat over there. And then I'm on stream here every single day on YouTube, so make sure to check me out. Yeah? Perfect. Give me a sec. Cool. Yeah, so just a bit thing. How much loss? So I took a $200 loss and like a $300 loss on the first two trades, just trying the shorts, but up on my accounts, my other accounts there, so we'll take that. But on this GoCharting.com account, not too great at the minute. I'm in profit today across all my accounts. That's why I think, especially as like a retail trader, you got to split up the risk. But on this account, not in profit. I'm just watching even YM. Yeah, YM's been lagging a little bit. Interestingly enough. So look, yeah, so we're still holding up there. Yeah, so see if we still want to hold here at this level 520. We also, as I said, this daily VWAP I do want to trade. We're having a pretty insane bounce off the lows here at the moment, which I don't hate. We're still underneath previous days lows, you know, on the indexes. You can even have a look at some of the others across the board. ES, okay, ES as well. Yes, back at opening range low, so not a bad place to be looking, trying to find shorts there. So we'll see if you want to come down off this level on NQ. If not, I'll close up. Yeah, you're not going to win every single trade. Can you show me the win trade? Can you show me the win trade? Yeah, over here. So I had 2 winning trades over here earlier in the day. I had the shorts over here underneath the VWAPs. And then I had the shorts at the open. As you can see, I had the shorts at the open there. So there's the 2 winning trades. And then I tried some shorts here now on stream and on this account and lost. So we're trying them for the 3rd time now on stream. But those are the 2 winning trades here underneath here. First over there, and then the second one over here. So right at the New York session market open. Right? So those are the two shorts that I had today for wins. Yes, sir. Still think this, as long as it doesn't make a new high, like I still think we could start to rotate here down. Let's see. Yeah, so again, to go over the 2 winning trades earlier today, underneath the previous day's lows, we're underneath the VWAP. I'm looking to take a scalp short. And then this one here at the open, we pin the daily VWAP, as we can see. And then which the daily VWAP, you guys know the two VWAPs that I use is one, the start of day VWAP, which is anchored to 6 p.m. Eastern time. And then the New York session open VWAP, which is anchored to the New York session market open. I took a short off as we pinned into that daily view up, and I'm looking for the rotation back down. Now I'm just looking to play the directional bias that I've been trading in today. Lower, unfortunately, doesn't work, but yeah, I still think it's a trade that, you know, if it comes down off this level later on in the day, normally trades dry up, day trades dry up at least at this time. So we'll see what happens into the rest of the day, but I still like it here, and we'll still continue to monitor it, however. So nice winning trades, but then now, yeah, I'm still trying to short low on just on this account, yeah. Perfect. Let me know if you want to see how you can anchor the view apps as well. So it looks like we're trading now 533. So we're still showing a lot of resistance at that level, which I'm happy with. Again, you should never have one losing trade wipe out all your gains from the day too. So why you can maybe trade different accounts, you split the risk up as well, right? I use Footprint. Angad, still the guy from one of the members from GoChart still needs to show me how to use Footprint charts and so forth. I'm not too clued up on that. I'm just using VWAP at the moment, but I know a lot of traders do like to use those type of tools from a day trading perspective, or order flow and everything like that. I still need to get more clued up in it for sure, which he is going to show me potentially on stream next week, right? And he was live yesterday on the stream after me to go over that. So let's see, 540. Perfect. We're going to wrap up here in the next couple of minutes. I hope that you guys have a good rest of the trading session. Yeah, just these shorts in continuation aren't really working right now. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. There you go. That's a nice rejection. Can you explain your strategy? Yeah, I use opening range and VWAP. Okay, so opening range and VWAP, and then I look to trade in line with those session VWAP. So the reason why I did and I was quite nicely heavily involved in these shorts into the open, we were trading underneath the previous day's range. So previous day, well, underneath the previous day's lows, and then also underneath VWAPs. Okay, so I'm looking for those shorts in extension. So as you can see, underneath VWAPs and the previous day's level, I'm looking for those shorts in extension. Okay, right now, still we were trading underneath, or we're trading at this VWAP after a breakout. Now looking for the retest. I was just looking for a move back down lower. So looking to trade in line with the VWAP and like a previous day's low or high break. Okay, so that's kind of like my bread and butter staple entry that I look for. You can catch me alive every single day with GoChart, GoCharting.com. Okay, their GoChamp competition-based accounts are live. So make sure to go check them out. I will see you live tomorrow, and hopefully we can get some winning trades. So no winning trades on this account here today during the session, but I'm still going to be up on the day across all of my accounts. This free competition-based account, volume drying up a little bit here. I've gone over the strategy. I've gone over the trades that I take, and then make sure that you do sign up and check out the competition-based accounts. It is free, so no reason that you shouldn't come and test them out. Perfect, guys. Have a good one. We'll see you all then.